Welcome to MaidCV.com. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Julian Mrs. Denio. I'm
Okay.
worked here in Dubai for 3 years.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 43 years old
43 years old. And you're from
from Philippines,
Philippines. Are you single or married?
single.
You're single. I when would you be able to start working?
Mm,
When can you start for a new job? July? After July or end of July?
uh, by July 26,
By July 26, you can start for a new job. Okay, do you have relatives here in UAE?
yes, my sister.
Your sister is here. So please describe your present job with your present employer.
My job now is all around maid,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
caring for my employer because and also she's single.
Mm-hmm.
She's a vegetarian, so I learned how to cook vegetarian food.
Vegetarian foods.
Also, I love baking.
Mm-hmm. But right now, what are your duties and responsibilities for your present employer? What are your duties and responsibilities? Your main duties?
Here, my all
Mm.
around
All around.
baking, cooking,
Cleaning the house also.
cleaning the house, feeding the dog.
Okay, so you're also taking care of dogs.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you like most about your present job and why? What do you enjoy doing in your present job?
Mm,
Hmm. What do you enjoy doing? Cleaning, cooking, or looking after the dogs?
everything.
Yeah, everything. Okay, so describe in details how do you perform your tasks for each location in the house? How do you clean the living room?
In the morning,
Okay.
the first in the morning, I walking the dog, and after that, cleaning the garden.
Mm-hmm.
Then, uh, preparing myself, and after that, I start cleaning inside the house.
Start cleaning inside the house. Okay, so in the bedroom, how often or how many times in the week do you change the bed sheet of your employer?
I'm changing widget every night.
Every night. You
Yes,
change the bed sheet. Okay. So how about the toilet? How do you maintain the cleanliness of the toilet?
every day. I
Every day you have to clean it.
I put some disinfectant.
Mm-hmm.
I brush it
Okay.
like what others doing.
Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
Sorry.
What are you going to do if there's a delivery man outside and your employer is not around, is not in the house? What are you going to do?
I wanna talk to her to him on what you call
Through intercom.
through intercom.
Intercom. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Allow any strangers inside the house without the permission
Without
of
the
my
permission of
employer.
your employer. Okay, good. So you said you love to cook and bake.
Yeah.
Okay, what kind of foods you can prepare?
Mm-hmm. I love cooking, but because
Mm-hmm.
I'm a bit in vegetarian because I'm Filipino, so I love cooking our own food. But I'm willing to learn to cook their food.
Okay. So can you follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yes,
Very well. Okay. So what kind of a housemaid are you? Describe yourself.
patient.
Okay. What
Really,
else?
lovable.
Aside Patient and
loyal.
loyal. Patient and loyal. Okay. Give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Um,
Hmm.
I'm a responsible person.
Okay.
You can trust,
Uh-huh.
and
And responsible person that you can trust. Okay, so please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you, Vilianisa. Thank you from 8cv.com. Thank you.